Hello everyone, my name is Tunde Sanusi, nicknamed the web and Tuham, a web designer, storyteller, trailblazer, and Nigerian online publisher, which a lot of people refer to as blogger. So on this short video, I want to, make a brief introduction of the WordPress Gutenberg Editor, and as well as show you a demo of how it looks like. I'm going to show a brief I'm sure to show you two articles on this video. The first article is written with the classic editor of WordPress, and the second article is written with the Gutenberg new blog editor. So the reason why I made this video was actually because a lot of people are not yet familiar with the Gutenberg editor, and in which the Gutenberg editor is something that a lot of WordPress users, like I recommend almost every WordPress users to start learning how to use the tool, because it is a whole new style and level of writing. So if you are bored with the classic editor, or you want to take your writing to the next level, so I would suggest you also learn how to use the Gutenberg editor. So the Gutenberg editor the Gutenberg editor was actually a new editor for WordPress, which was released around September 22, 2019. The name was named after Johannes Gutenberg, who invented a printing press with movable type more than 500 years ago. And the major reason why this Gutenberg block editor was made is to make writing easier, especially for those just starting with WordPress. So now that you've known what the Gutenberg editor is, let me show you how it looks like using the WordPress official website. So this is actually the official website of the WordPress.org on how the Gutenberg editor really looks like. So these are some of the tools. So if you want to write a new article, you just click on add block, you click on paragraph, and you type your articles there. So hello, so I think I'm going to preview showing you how it looks like on my real life website instead of using the WordPress official page, so that it will be a lot more easier for you when you are trying to write on your WordPress website. But before I go there, let me show you a few basic things of what the WordPress Gutenberg is all about. So the WordPress Gutenberg, as I earlier mentioned, is a new editor for WordPress, and it is a whole new way. I can't dispute that fact that it is a whole new way to use WordPress. So these are some of the tools that you will enjoy using the Gutenberg editor. You have access to a lot of blocks, like not really a lot, like some few basic and interesting blocks. How the Gutenberg editor really works is using blocks. So you have the paragraph blocks, the heading blocks, the subheading blocks, in which I'm showing majority of the tools mentioned here are something that you are already familiarized with, but I'm going to mention some of the blocks in case you don't know what they are all about. So taken for instance, this gallery block is a block that allows you to insert a lot of images, like maybe multiple images, let's say 5 images in an article side by side. Underline the word side by side. Normally when you upload multiple images inside your WordPress post, it's supposed to display like line by line in a list form, but with the Gutenberg editor you can actually upload 5 and above images side by side. So you also have access to the cover image tools, whereby the cover image will serve as an image on the ground, something like a cover photo on Facebook. So you can also upload video, use embeds, maybe a YouTube video, click on button, list, insert customized code, upload file, columns, and etc. So in order to show you how it looks like, let's see how the WordPress Gutenberg editor really looks like from the WordPress dashboard. So this is my website, one of my blog that I use the WordPress Gutenberg Editor on. So once you start using it on your site, this is how it's going to look like. So you have your title here. Let's say I love traveling. So this is the title of the article I want to write. So Mother Nature is really awesome, and I love exploring its beauty. So this is the title, this is the body of the text that this is the title of the article, and this is the body. So if I want to insert image, all I have to do is just come here, click on the plus, click on image, upload, or if I already have the image on my website, so I'll just click on media gallery. So in the next webinar, I'll be showing you a detailed information on how to use the Gutenberg webinar. So but instead today we'll be taking a look at two articles, in which one is written with the classic editor and the other is written with the new block editor called the Gutenberg editor. So this Netsocial blog, and the article I want to show you now is written using the classic editor on WordPress. So this is the body of the article. So as you can see, it's something like plugins, something like the normal articles that you are used to seeing. And now let me show you an article I wrote using the Gutenberg editor. So it's still loading. Okay, and this okay, this is one of the article that I wrote using the Gutenberg editor. So you can see some of the features of using the Gutenberg editor is this style, image style. Like the image is styled in circle format instead of the normal square format that we are familiarized with. So you can also use that to make your image, the image inside your post, to look more captivating. So let me show you another post I wrote using the Gutenberg editor. Let me see if I add a special effect to this article. So no, okay, no special effect. And this, okay, so you see something like this: click here to list your business on Google. This is called button, and it's a feature that you can also easily access on the WordPress Gutenberg editor. So maybe you want to introduce a CTA, click to action button on your website. You can easily use these features with the Gutenberg editor. These and lots more are the benefits of using WordPress Gutenberg editor on your website, and the number one reason why you also have to learn about the Gutenberg editor is that the classic editor will be only for a while, which is until 2021. So after 2021, WordPress user will be forced to be using the Gutenberg editor. So the earlier you get to learn it, the better. Once again, my name is Tunde Sanusi, and to know more about me, you can visit www.tuhamworld.com. Till next time, bye bye.